Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change the color size and the size of a text in a helpdesk template. Okay, so before we start, the first thing that you have to do is to go to administration, that is located onto the top right corner, and then go to settings, and here onto the general tab you have to make sure that the text formatting is selected to be textile as an option. So please make sure if this is textile and save your changes. In our case here it is already selected to be textile. Okay, so the next step that you have to do is to go to Helpdesk project, where you have enabled your Helpdesk plugin, and then go to settings and Helpdesk template. Okay, so here onto the header or footer or wherever you like, you have to select, you have to do the following changes. In our example we are going to do it into the email footer, into the answer template. However, of course you can make it into the auto answer and auto close template and everything else. Okay, so firstly, if we would like to have, for example, red color, we set P as a paragraph and brackets then point. Here onto the color we set red, and we say this, this is a red text. Okay, let's do something else. For example, it could be pink color, so now this is a pink color of the text. And the third one is, for example, color to be, let's think, orange. So now the color turned to be orange for this paragraph. Okay, and for the color size, again we select paragraph and then write down font size, and we're going to use the parameter M. However, it is up to you which one to choose. Just for this example we're going to use the M. So this is a small text. Alright, so let's do one more example. It could be font size to be 2 as a parameter, and this is now a middle sized text. Okay, and the third one could be font size 3em. So now it is a big text. Okay, so we save our changes and now go back to the Helpdesk tickets to see what we have done, and open a ticket. Then we click on reply, and as we have seen just now, it is a red text here, pink text here, it is orange text, the orange paragraph, and afterward we see the sizes that we have set. This is a small text, a middle-sized text, and now it is a big text. Okay, so these were the examples of changing the color of your Helpdesk template, as well as the text size for the text of your Helpdesk template. Of course, you can combine both. For example, you could have a big text with orange color or small text with pink color, etc. It is up to you and in accordance with your needs. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was good and helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Bye bye.